If you're looking for a smart and powerful way to keep your home clean without lifting a finger, then a Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is the perfect solution. These amazing machines can vacuum, mop, empty themselves, map your entire home, and even avoid obstacles automatically. Today we're counting down the top 5 best Robot Vacuum and Mop Combos of 2025, based on suction power, navigation, smart features, and real performance. Let's get started and begin with number 5. Number 5 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, 2-in-1 Budget Model. At number 5, we have the perfect budget-friendly 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo that gives you great cleaning results without a high price tag. This model is ideal for small homes, apartments, pets, and basic everyday cleaning. Key features: 2-in-1 vacuum plus mop function, strong suction for general cleaning, Wi-Fi plus app control, schedule cleaning, auto return and self-charging, quiet mode for night cleaning. It easily handles hard floors, pet hair, and light carpets. While it doesn't have premium mapping or self-emptying, it's one of the best choices for anyone who wants reliable smart cleaning at the lowest cost. Number 4 AIRROBO T20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop, Self-Emptying, 60-Day Capacity. At number 4 is the AIRROBO T20 Plus, a strong mid-range robot that gives you many premium features at a reasonable price. Why it's a great pick: self-emptying base, holds dirt for up to 60 days. Smart mapping with room-by-room cleaning. Wi-Fi plus app plus Alexa plus remote control. 180 minutes long runtime. Great for carpets, pet hair, and hard floors. The mapping system is highly accurate, meaning the robot learns your home layout quickly and avoids unnecessary cleaning paths. For homes with pets or multiple rooms, this robot gives you excellent performance without spending too much. Number 3 Shark Matrix Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop, HEPA Filtration plus Sonic Mopping. Taking third place is the Shark Matrix Plus, one of the best options for deep cleaning in pet owners. Top features: self-empty HEPA base, great for allergy relief. Sonic mopping technology for deep floor scrubbing. Matrix clean system for maximum coverage. Advanced mapping with room selection. Clean edge technology for perfect edge cleaning. Heavy checkmark excellent for pet hair and carpets. Shark is known for powerful suction and outstanding cleaning algorithms. This model combines everything: strong vacuuming, effective mopping, and self-emptying with HEPA filtration, making it ideal for families with pets or allergies. Number 2 Eureka E20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop, 8000 pascals plus LiDAR navigation. At number 2, we have the Eureka E20 Plus, a high-performance robot vacuum and mop combo with advanced navigation and extreme suction. What makes it stand out? Massive 8000 pascals suction, great for deep carpet cleaning. Bagless self-emptying base, 45-day capacity. Anti-hair tangle brush. LiDAR navigation for highly accurate mapping. Smart app control plus custom zones. Ideal balance of power, navigation, and convenience. This is one of the most powerful robots on the market, perfect for homes with pets, carpets, and multiple floors. The LiDAR scanning makes cleaning fast, efficient, and extremely precise, one of the smartest navigation systems you can get in 2025. Number 1 Mova P10 Pro Ultra, 13,000 pascals plus hot water mop washing. Best Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo 2025 Editor's Choice. The number 1 spot goes to the Mova P10 Pro Ultra, the most advanced robot vacuum and mop system in this entire list. Why it's number 1? Insane 13,000 pascals suction, market-leading power. 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing. Auto mop drying to prevent smell and bacteria. Dual spinning extendable mop pads. 10.5 mm mop lifting for carpets. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance sensors. Fully automatic cleaning station. Total app control plus advanced mapping. This robot is designed for people who want zero-effort cleaning. The hot water mop washing system keeps pads clean automatically, while the extended mop arms clean corners better than most robots. It also lifts the mop when it detects carpets to avoid wet marks, a premium feature usually found only in high-end models. With unmatched suction, next-level mopping, and a fully automatic station, the Mova P10 Pro Ultra easily takes the number 1 spot as the best robot cleaner of 2025.
Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you discover some of the latest and most powerful products on the market today. All the product links and updated prices are listed in the description below, so be sure to check them out before you decide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next top picks. We'll keep bringing you honest reviews and the best tech choices to make your life smarter and easier. See you in the next video, and until then, stay inspired and stay upgraded.